Welcome to our channel. Creating a GIF from a video using Giphy is a simple way to make shareable animated clips perfect for social media and messaging. Here's how to create your own GIFs. Step 1. Visit giphy.com in your web browser. Click on the Create button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. On the Create page, you have two options. Upload a video file from your computer or paste a video URL from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or Instagram. Step 3. If uploading a file, click Choose File and select your video. If using a URL, paste the link in the provided field. Giphy supports most common video formats. Step 4. After your video loads, use the timeline slider to select the portion you want to convert to GIF. Giphy allows GIFs up to 15 seconds long, but shorter is usually better for file size. Step 5. Add captions to your GIF by typing in the text field. Customize the font, color, and position of your text using the formatting options provided. Step 6. Decorate your GIF with stickers, filters, or drawings using the editing tools on the left side. These additions can make your GIF more expressive and fun. Step 7. Preview your GIF by watching it loop. Make any final adjustments to timing, text, or decorations until you're satisfied with the result. Step 8. Click Upload to Giphy when finished. Add tags and a title to help others find your creation. You can then copy the link or download the GIF file to share across platforms. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.